Welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can simply withdraw your USDT from your Binance account to another wallet. It's quite easy. All you need to do is make sure you have a verified account, else you can't withdraw your tokens. And by simply using our link, if you do not have an account, which is in the description of this video, by using our link in the description of this video, you stand a chance to claim 100 USDT when you register and verify your account using our link. So guys, with your verified account logged in, head over to the wallet section at the bottom right corner of the screen. And once you're there, you're met with the overview. Now, the overview houses both your accounts and your crypto, which contains your funding account and your spot account here. And you can see the amount of crypto you have in each wallet. And you can access these wallets by selecting any of them. So my crypto is in the funding, so I'm going to click on funding. Once there, I found the crypto I'm looking for, the USDT. Click on USDT, click on withdrawal, click on send via crypto network. Now, once you've done this, you're met with the USDT menu where you can withdraw using the address and the network. Please make sure the sending network matches the receiving network. So if I'm going to be sending out my USDT in the Arbitrum network, I should be receiving in Arbitrum. So I'm going to select the Arbitrum one. This is the network I wish to use. I will simply minimize my Binance and open up my Exodus wallet, which is just here. With the Exodus wallet opened up, all you need to do is select this wallet menu here. Once you've selected it, click on the receive option. Now, by selecting the receive option, you're met with search. So I'm going to be searching for USDT and I'm going to be sending it via the Arbitrum One network. So as you can see, the list of networks that contain the USDT are listed here. So we're working with the Arbitrum. As you can see, I understand that this address contains the Arbitrum one. Click on the continue option, copy this address, and by doing so, you can simply minimize and open up your Binance. Now with Binance opened up, I'm going to select Arbitrum one, and then I'm going to paste the receiving address here. Now with the receiving address here, the minimum is 10, so I'm going to be sending $11, and then simply click on withdrawal. And once you've done that, open up your Exodus wallet and you then find your USDT deposited here. You can simply check by clicking on the portfolio option and reloading, or going about by searching for the USDT. And once you've searched for USDT, you can then find your USDT there. So guys, do comment down below if you've got any questions concerning how we can send our USDT from Binance to another wallet, and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.